Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy process on how to find Atomic Wallet address using your Atomic Wallet application. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your Atomic Wallet application and make sure that you are logged into your wallet. You'll need to enter your password to get access to your wallet, so go ahead and do it. After you are done, tap on Login and you'll end up in the main homepage of Atomic Wallet. Now, from the main interface, select the asset you need a wallet address for. For example, if you choose BTC, you'll be able to see the Receive button right under BTC, tap on it and you'll be able to see your wallet address for Bitcoin. Similarly, if you choose to view the wallet address of Ethereum, you'll need to select ETH and tap on Receive at the bottom left, and you'll be able to see your Ethereum wallet address along with a QR code. You can use the wallet address in case you need to receive funds from one of your fellow friends or family. That is how you'll be able to get access to your wallet address for a particular asset on Atomic Wallet. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.